In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn about 8 AI tools that are changing how we teach and learn. These tools are like special helpers for the classroom. We'll look at an AI that can summarize long meetings quickly, and another that creates amazing presentations in no time. These are just a couple of examples of how AI is transforming education. By the end of this video, you'll see how these tools are making learning more exciting and efficient. Number 1. Otter.ai. Otter.ai is revolutionizing note-taking in meetings and classrooms. This AI tool joins your online meetings silently, taking notes so you don't have to. But it goes beyond just transcribing words. Otter actually understands the meeting, providing a smart breakdown of key points, action items, and the overall context. After the meeting, Otter gives you a neat summary. It's not just a list of who said what, but a comprehensive overview that captures the essence of the discussion. This feature is particularly useful for those who might have missed parts of the meeting or need a quick refresher. Teachers are now using Otter in their classrooms, and it's making a significant impact. Students who miss class can catch up quickly using Otter's smart summaries. It's like having a time machine for lessons, allowing students to review and understand the material even if they weren't present. Some people have expressed concerns about whether students will stop paying attention in class if an AI is taking notes for them. However, teachers are reporting the opposite effect. Students are actually more engaged because they can focus on understanding the material rather than frantically writing down every word. They're asking more questions and thinking critically about the content. Otter is changing how we learn and work. Students can concentrate on the discussion instead of worrying about missing important points. Teachers can focus on delivering their lessons effectively, knowing that the key information is being captured accurately. However, Otter isn't without its challenges. It can sometimes mishear words or struggle with accents. There are also privacy concerns, as the tool records everything that's said. Schools and businesses are grappling with how to use this technology responsibly while reaping its benefits. Despite these issues, Otter.ai represents a significant step forward in how we process and retain information in both educational and professional settings. It's not just a note-taking tool, but a way to enhance understanding and productivity. Number 2. Carnegie Learning. Carnegie Learning is shaking up the math education world with their new AI tutor. This isn't just any old math program, it's like having a personal coach that knows exactly what you need to work on. The AI watches how you solve problems and adjusts to your style. Pretty cool, right? Here's the really interesting part: if you're struggling with fractions, it gives you more practice there. Acing geometry? It'll throw some tougher problems your way. It keeps you learning at just the right speed for you. No more being bored or feeling lost in class. But that's not all. This AI can actually predict what you're going to have trouble with next. Before you even realize you're going to stumble on a concept, it's already planning how to help you. It's a bit spooky, but also pretty amazing. Teachers are noticing some big changes in their classrooms. Kids who used to hate math are suddenly raising their hands to answer questions. It's like someone flipped a switch overnight. Now, people are asking, is this AI actually making kids better at math, or are they just getting better at using the AI? It's similar to when calculators first showed up in schools. Everyone worried kids would forget how to do basic math. The early results are looking good. Test scores are going up across the board. But it's not just about grades. Students are saying something we never thought we'd hear: math is fun now. Who would have thought? Some people are still skeptical. They wonder if we're creating a generation of kids who can't do math without an AI helper. But others argue that this is just the next step in how we learn math, just like calculators were. What do you think? Is AI the future of math education, or are we solving one problem by creating another? Number 3. Gradescope. As math scores soar, another educational challenge loomed large: the dreaded grading pile. Gradescope, an AI tool, is changing how teachers approach this task, uncovering patterns that even experienced educators might miss. The question is, are we ready for what it's revealing about our education system? Imagine a teacher surrounded by stacks of papers, eyes bloodshot from hours of grading. Now, picture that same teacher relaxing on the couch, enjoying their free time. That's the impact Gradescope is having on educators everywhere. Gradescope functions like a tireless teaching assistant. It quickly processes multiple choice tests and can even understand and grade written answers. This AI tool is transforming the grading experience for teachers across the board. Educators using Gradescope are reclaiming hours every week. Instead of spending weekends buried in essays, they're getting their personal time back. However, some people are questioning whether this makes grading too impersonal and if we're losing the human element in education. Interestingly, teachers report giving more detailed feedback now. With more time available, they can thoroughly examine student work. Rather than simply assigning a grade, they're engaging in meaningful discussions about the assignments. Students are benefiting too. Gone are the days of waiting weeks for test results. Gradescope delivers grades quickly, satisfying the need for prompt feedback. Who doesn't appreciate knowing their results sooner? The real advantage of Gradescope lies in its ability to identify learning trends. It provides teachers with insights into areas where their class is struggling. This allows educators to tailor their lessons more effectively, addressing specific needs before even entering the classroom. It's like having a roadmap for targeted instruction, improving the overall learning experience. Number 4. Turnitin. As teachers gain superpowers, students are upping their game too. The battle between Turnitin and AI-generated essays is heating up. But here's the real question: in a world where machines can write like humans, what does original work even mean anymore? Remember when copying homework meant looking over your friend's shoulder? Those days are gone. Now, students have AI writing tools at their fingertips and they're using them. But Turnitin, the old king of catching copycats, isn't backing down. It's got a new trick spotting AI-written essays. Turnitin has gotten way smarter. It's not just looking for exact matches anymore. Now it can spot when an essay sounds too perfect. Like when your C-student cousin suddenly turns in a paper that sounds like Shakespeare wrote it. Turnitin's algorithm is like, hold up, something's fishy here. Students thought they were being clever using ChatGPT to write their essays. They figured if a human didn't write it, how could it be plagiarism? But Turnitin was quick to adapt. It's become a high-tech game of cat and mouse, with Turnitin always trying to stay one step ahead. Turnitin isn't just about catching cheaters anymore. It's actually trying to teach students how to think for themselves. Teachers are using it to start conversations about original thinking. They're asking students, why did you use AI here? Let's talk about your own ideas. This approach aims to foster critical thinking and creativity, rather than just punishing those who cut corners. This whole situation raises some big questions about education and originality. In a world where AI can write essays that sound just like a human wrote them, what does original work even mean? Is it still cheating if you use AI to help you brainstorm ideas? Where do we draw the line? Some people worry we're turning school into a high-tech game of cops and robbers instead of teaching kids to be original thinkers. These are the questions educators and students alike are grappling with as technology continues to reshape the landscape of academic integrity. Number 5. Slideaside.io. If AI can write our essays, what's next? Turns out, it's already tackled another classroom staple: presentations. But this AI doesn't just make slides look pretty. It's changing how we think about organizing and presenting information. Are we witnessing the death of the traditional school presentation, or the birth of something entirely new? Slideaside.io is transforming the way we create presentations. This AI tool acts as both a designer and organizer, streamlining the entire process. You input your ideas, and Slideaside.io generates a complete presentation, organizing your thoughts into a clear, logical flow. The tool's efficiency has caught the attention of both teachers and students. Educators can now create lessons in minutes, focusing more on content rather than struggling with formatting. Students are producing professional-looking presentations without getting bogged down in design details. One teacher commented, "It makes formatting slides much easier than doing it manually. This time-saving feature allows for more actual teaching and less technological frustration." However, this advancement raises concerns. Some worry that students might miss out on developing important design skills if AI does all the work. It's reminiscent of the debates when calculators first appeared in math classes. Interestingly, people are now spending more time on their content. With the AI handling design aspects, users can concentrate on what they want to say. This shift suggests a new focus on content creation rather than presentation design. This development brings up a crucial question: when AI can create our slides, what skills do we really need to learn? Perhaps the future isn't about mastering PowerPoint, but about learning to collaborate effectively with AI. We might be training a new generation of AI collaborators instead of presentation software experts. Number 6. Canva for education. Collaborating with AI has spread to art class. Canva's new AI tools are like having a professional designer at your fingertips. But here's the real shocker: instead of killing creativity, it might be supercharging it. How? That's where things get interesting. Canva's changing the game big time. It's like having a whole art department right there in your computer. With AI superpowers, it's taking creativity to a whole new level. You can tell Canva what you want, and boom, it creates designs for you. Want a poster for the school dance? Just type in what you're looking for, and Canva's AI will whip up options faster than you can say disco ball. Teachers are loving it. They're using it to make boring worksheets look awesome. One teacher said, "It's like my students actually want to do their homework now, can you believe it? Kids excited about homework?" That's some next-level wizardry right there. Canva for Education is packing some serious educational firepower. They've got over 5,000 classroom resources that teachers can customize. They've teamed up with big names like NASA and the New York Times to create lessons. It's like having the coolest field trip ever, but right in your classroom. Students are making posters and videos that look like they were made by pros. Art class will never be the same. Now, it's about who can come up with the coolest ideas and bring them to life with AI. Some people are worried we're replacing creativity with AI. They're asking, if a computer can make anything look good, what does it mean to be artistic anymore? It's a fair question. But here's the twist: people are actually being more creative than ever. They're coming up with ideas they never thought possible before. It's like the AI is giving them superpowers, letting them create things they couldn't even imagine before. Canva's got some cool features that make sure everyone can join in the fun. They've got this thing called automatic alt text suggestions that helps make sure even students who can't see well can still understand what's in the pictures. It's like they're making sure no one gets left out of the creativity party. Number 7. Undetectable.ai. Undetectable.ai is making waves in the world of student essays, acting like a chameleon for words. This AI tool blends machine-generated text with human writing so well that even experts can't tell the difference. It's got everyone asking, is this leveling the playing field or giving cheaters an unfair advantage? We're living in a time where the line between human and AI writing is getting real fuzzy. Undetectable.ai works like an invisibility cloak for AI text, turning machine words into something that looks like it came straight from a person's brain. Teachers are scratching their heads, trying to figure out what's what. Students are using this tool to spruce up their essays, and it's causing a big debate. Some folks say it's no different than using a fancy spell check, while others think it's basically getting a ghostwriter to do your homework. Everyone's trying to figure out where to draw the line. This whole situation is putting teachers in a tough spot. How do you grade work when you're not sure if a student or a computer wrote it? It's like trying to judge a singing contest where some of the voices might be auto-tuned. Schools are split on how to handle this new tech. Some are banning it outright, while others are trying to find ways to work with it. Here's where things get interesting. Turnitin, the plagiarism checking software, is actually using Undetectable.ai to promote original thinking. They're saying, let's focus on ideas, not just perfect grammar. This shift is making everyone rethink what writing skills really matter in today's world. It's pushing students to come up with creative ideas that no AI can match. So, what's the future of writing look like in a world where AI can mimic us so well? Will machines end up doing all our writing, or will this push us to be even more creative? One thing's for sure, the way we think about writing and originality is changing fast. Number 8. Magic School AI. Magic School AI is transforming classrooms with its comprehensive suite of over 70 AI tools designed to assist teachers in every aspect of their work. From creating lesson plans to grading papers and communicating with students and parents, this platform aims to streamline the educational process. Teachers using Magic School AI report feeling like they have a digital clone, allowing them to focus more on teaching and connecting with students. One educator shared, "It allows me to focus more on teaching and connecting with students." However, this shift raises questions about potential over-reliance on AI and whether teachers might lose essential skills. Interestingly, many teachers claim they're forming stronger connections with students thanks to the time saved by Magic School AI. The extra hours previously spent on administrative tasks are now used for planning engaging lessons and providing one-on-one attention to students. Magic School AI goes beyond simple time-saving features. It can predict potential learning challenges for individual students and suggest tailored interventions. This personalized approach is like having a highly intelligent teaching assistant who understands each student's unique needs. Additionally, the platform is helping students learn about AI, preparing them for a future where this technology is ubiquitous. Privacy concerns have been raised due to the sensitive nature of student information handled by the platform. Magic School AI addresses these worries by adhering to strict data protection regulations and implementing robust security measures to safeguard student information. Magic School AI is reshaping education by impacting every aspect of teaching. Its comprehensive approach to streamlining administrative tasks, enhancing lesson planning, and providing personalized insights is setting a new standard for educational technology. As AI continues to evolve, tools like Magic School AI may play an increasingly significant role in shaping the future of education. AI is transforming education in profound ways. It's not just making tasks easier, it's reshaping our understanding of learning itself. The classroom of tomorrow isn't about fancy gadgets, it's about humans and AI working together to achieve more. Teachers are getting more time for meaningful student interactions, while students are discovering new avenues for creativity. Everyone's developing skills crucial for a world where AI is commonplace. But this AI revolution isn't without challenges. We're still grappling with issues of privacy, academic integrity, and determining which skills are truly essential. As we look to the future of education, it's up to us to shape how AI will be used. What role will you play in this evolving landscape?